Hi guys, thanks for joining us for another Tools and Techniques tutorial. Today, we'll learn how to collaborate with others using Google Drive. So let's get started. The ability to share files and collaborate with others is a really useful feature of Google Drive. This allows everyone to work on the document at the same time rather than sending different versions of the document back and forth through email. So let's look more closely at how this works. First, you'll go to your web browser and you'll log into your Gmail account. Next, you'll click on these 9 dots for Google Apps, and you'll go to your Google Drive. Once in your Google Drive, you'll find the document that you want to upload and drag and drop it into your document. Once the document has finished uploading, you'll go through and share. So you'll share by right-clicking on the top left corner and then hit share. You'll enter the email addresses of the people who you want to share the document with, separating their names with a comma. You'll also need to make sure that you give them permission to edit. So if you click here, you need to make sure that Can Edit is checked. Now, once you are finished collaborating with your group and you're ready to share the document publicly, you'll click Can View. You'll also add a note for your group members with information that you would like them to know, and then hit Send. You may get a message saying that some of your recipients are not in the G Suite, but that's fine. Hit Yes. Now, once the document has sent, you'll be able to edit. So you'll find the document in your Google Drive and you'll open it. And make sure you choose the option to open with Google Slides. Once the document is open, you can make edits. You can choose a theme, and any changes that you make will automatically be saved. So all of your group members will be able to view any changes that you make. Now I'm going to log in as one of my group members. And if your group members don't see the email invitation, make sure that they check their junk or spam folder. So once your group members get the link, they'll click on the email. And then if it doesn't pop up, you may have to turn off pop-up blocker. So a box will pop up here and you'll just click on this box and then refresh if that shows up. So once inside the email, you'll click on the link. And then your group members will also need to open with Google Slides. And you can see that they can see all of the edits that you've made. And they can go in and add any changes that they need to make to their portion. And again, it saves automatically. So once they're finished, they can just log out. And then if you go back into your document, you'll be able to see all of the changes that your group member has made. So again, you always want to open with Google Slides. And you can see they changed the font color and they added in their name. Now, after all changes have been made and you're ready to share, all you have to do is right-click and hit Share. And again, you want to go in now and choose Can View. And then you want to get Shareable Link. And here is where you want to make sure that you give permission for everyone to view. So if you click on More, you can choose the option Anyone with the link can view. So hit Save, and then you want to copy the link. And then you'll paste it into an email or wherever it is that you would like to share your document. And that's it. If this video helped you out and you'd like to see more, be sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button. The links to our social media are also down below. If you would like a consultation, please subscribe to our blog at www.thegrainbinder.com and contact us for assistance, and someone from our team will get back with you within 5 business days. The first consultation is always free. Also, if you have any suggestions of your own, please leave them in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for joining us. See you next time!